More, what is success in your point of view?
Well, success has different meaning for everyone. Some people, they when they achieve something, like for example any new skill, knowledge, or it's success for them. For some people, if they want to have luxury, so they want to buy a new car, building, assets, whatever, maybe that's success for them. For some people, it's just a piece of inner peace, like inner satisfaction. So for some people, maybe just relax, so these are different meaning for everyone. So if you talk about what is success in my life, or what I believe the success is, if I'm being very honest to you, when I was like studying, and that time maybe success was different for me. So I used to dream always, oh, I want to buy this car, I want to buy this house, I want to go around the world. So that was kind of success for me. But now, like when I got everything, but now the success is totally different for me. So the success is like living life according to the teaching and guidance of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that is the real success in life. So that's how you can sleep in peace, that's how you can relax, and that's how you can manage everything without any frustration, without any problems or headaches or depression. So for me, this is my personal opinion, that's real success for me.